This is the Eversolo DAC Z10, a high-fidelity digital-to-analog converter. Featuring the proprietary Eversolo FIA architecture, equipped with the Eversolo Precision Core, high-precision clock system. Alongside key technologies, such as the R2R dual-channel fully balanced analog preamp and FPGA. Now, let's take a closer look at the DAC Z10. The DAC Z10 is built on the proprietary Eversolo FIA architecture design. For the power supply, it employs 3 ultra-low-noise linear power supplies, individually power the left channel, right channel, and digital system. This separation gives the sound stage more stability and control. For decoding, it uses 2 sets of AK4191, AK4499 chips, each working independently for the left and right channels, to deliver more precise and true-to-source sound, isolating the internal signal interference problem. Combined with AKM's Velvet sound technology, it achieves a natural balance between accuracy and musical warmth. Paired with a dual-channel, fully balanced R2R analog preamplifier, it preserves signal integrity and maintains perfect phase consistency. In terms of clock, the DAC Z10 features the Eversolo Precision Core clock system, integrating an OCXO temperature-controlled oscillator with PLL phase-locking technology, resisting temperature-induced timing drift, and ensuring precision playback. It also supports external 10 MHz or 25 MHz clocks, compatible with both 50 ohms and 75 ohms impedance inputs, for even greater clock stability and accuracy. At the same time, the DAC Z10 supports FPGA-based clock reconstruction. The FPGA reshaping both the clock signal and I2S data, so every digital sample hits exactly where it should. This minimizes jitter and keeps the whole system perfectly synchronized, ensuring the sound stays pure and accurate. And of course, don't overlook the grounding post. It acts like a purifier for the entire system, adding one more layer of signal cleanliness. On the front panel, you'll find a 6.35mm headphone jack. It automatically detects headphone impedance and adjusts gain, easily driving models from 16 to 300 ohms. In the center, there's an 8.8-inch IPS HD touchscreen. It's smooth to use, crystal clear, and all settings can be done right on it. To the right, you'll find the volume knob. Each turn delivers a satisfying sense of precision, much like operating a finely calibrated instrument. Now let's turn to its back. The DAC Z10's connectivity seems tailor-made for the discerning audiophile. Its I2S digital input supports up to PCM 768 kHz 32-bit and DSD512. The USB audio input is electrically isolated, keeping noise completely out. Dual coaxial ports allow 2 digital sources, with fast, lossless switching. The AES EBU input is also isolated, to keep the signal clean. There are XLR and RCA analog inputs, with up to plus 10 decibels analog gain, making it easy to match different sources or amplifiers. Of course, it includes HDMI ARC, supporting both ARC and eARC, for easy home theater system. In short, the DAC Z10 gives you every kind of connection you'll ever need. Inside the system interface, you can switch the master clock source, select ARC mode, or adjust headphone gain. You can unlock key FPGA clock shaping technology here. In the DAC settings, there are 6 digital filter options: left and right channel balance, gain control, startup volume, and polarity adjustments. For I2S input, 8 custom modes are available to match different source devices. Visually, it's equally refined, with multiple VU meters and dynamic spectrums, all through an exquisite UI that adds visual flair to your music. Whether your taste is modern or retro, the DAC Z10 can adapt to your preference. For control, the DAC Z10 also works with the Eversolo control app on your phone or tablet. Every setting available on the device itself, from volume adjustment to input switching, can be managed right from the app. Eversolo DAC Z10, an indispensable component in any high-end hi-fi system. Precision engineering, built for authentic sound.